Counting the number of true booleans in a Python list. I have a list of booleans, and I am looking for a way to count the number of true in the list, so in the example above, I want the return to be 3. I have found examples of looking for the number of occurrences of specific elements, but is there a more efficient way to do it since I'm working with booleans? I'm thinking of something analogous to all or any.
True is equal to 1.
List has a count method. This is actually more efficient than sum, as well as being more explicit about the intent, so there's no reason to use sum.
If you are only concerned with the constant true, a simple sum is fine. However, keep in mind that in Python other values evaluate as true as well. A more robust solution would be to use the bool built-in. Update: here's another similarly robust solution that has the advantage of being more transparent. PS Python trivia: true could be true without being 1. Warning: do not try this at work. Much more evil.
You can use sum.
Thank you.